So, hi Priya, welcome to Bollywood Life.
Hi, how's it going, Imran? Long time.
Very long time. I guess a year or year and a half I've seen you last.
Yeah, it's been about
Right?
around years
So
that.
tell me how it's been. 21 days are over, more 18 days to go. What's keeping you up? How have you been productive? Are you being productive?
21 days for me, it's been over a month. For me, it's been like, I think, 5 weeks.
Okay. What are you
Yeah,
saying?
4 weeks. Yeah, a month. Because see, so 12th was my last day of shoot. Then I had gone to the gym on the 13th, I think, and then the gym and everything shut. Uske baad, I've not left home. I've been home only since then. I've been
Yeah.
isolating myself since 12th of March, and it's 17th now. So yeah, almost 5 weeks. I've been sitting at
Wow.
home.
How are you
And
holding up? What's your mind space like right now?
you know what? Initially, the first few days were hard because not because you have to sit at home. I love sitting at home. I'm quite the loner and I enjoy my own company a lot, and I love sitting at home and all of that. But what started getting to me was the fact that was unaware of what's happening around. You constantly keep reading the news. Then again,
Yeah.
of course, my family is all in Canada, so I was not with them. I was in Bombay. I'm in Bombay. So I was like, that fear of unknown, that what the hell is going on? People are
Right.
falling sick and everything suddenly, and especially in a city like Mumbai, when all these places shut, the roads are empty, it is eerie, it's creepy, right? So
Right.
I think that started getting to me, and I was like, oh my god, we don't know what's going to happen now. And then, you know what? Initially, the first few weeks were really difficult because, of course, I couldn't go back home. My parents are in Canada. I couldn't travel
Yeah.
because, of course, the journey is long and lockdown happened. So then I decided that, I'm going to stop reading the news as much because people keep sending links on WhatsApp and this and that. And that really gets to you. Like, sometimes you don't even know what's actually happening, but you keep reading these things can really get you low.
Right, correct.
So I decided that, chalo, all we know is lockdown is happening. We have to stay home because it spreads through human contact. So let's stay home. Let's take it one day at a time. Let's be positive. And then I started seeing the positive sides. That staying at home is actually there's so much you can do. You can discover yourself in so many ways. Like I'm learning how to cook. I'm working out a lot. I'm trying to watch a lot of shows, meditating, learning a new language. So I think post the second week, I mentally started adjusting and started being more positive towards the whole thing.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Your family's in Canada right now. How's the situation over there? What's
It's
what's been up?
it's equally as bad. It's
Yeah.
just like India. It's bad everywhere. USA is really bad compared to America. Canada is a little better, but of course it's just the same. This the same lockdown. People are self isolating. They are sitting at home. Everything is shut again. All the commercial, most of the basic commercial places are of course, uh, the superstores and all are open. But other than that, everything else is shut. Same thing. I think the whole world is going through this right now. I
Correct.
mean, we're all just sitting at home at this point,
Okay.
waiting
All
for
right.
this to end. I think except China. China has gone back to work.
Yeah, China's back, but there are more reported cases now since they've just opened the lockdown. It's more reported case. Like more 50% of the people have been, tested
Oh my god.
positive again.
Oh my god. So it keeps coming back, is it? Like the
It was
virus?
not over. It was not eradicated. They just finished the lockdown, and people were just meeting each other, and it spread it again.
Oh my goodness. Which was kind of bound to happen, yeah? Like they should have waited a few more months or weeks, I think.
Right. Okay, so tell me, are you missing the sets? Are you missing the rush, the shooting, and everything?
Oh, you can't even imagine how much I'm missing being at work, how much I miss set. Uh, I mean, more than going out or meeting friends, I think I'm really missing being at work.
Yeah.
I'm really missing the whole set vibe and the loudness, the chaos, and I just cannot wait to get back to work.
All right. So Priya has some quarantine questions for you. Okay. So these are some questions asked on social media by fans. Okay. So I'll shoot one question. The first question that I get is like, what shows are stars currently binge watching, and what they recommend the fans to watch. So what shows are you currently binge watching, and you recommend your fans to watch?
Just yesterday actually, I started watching Special Ops on
Okay.
Hotstar, and
Right. Right. Right.
I'm really liking it. I've already finished like 4 or 5 episodes, and it's really catchy and really
Correct.
well shot and everything. And of course, there's KK and really good actors. So that's a show that you guys can definitely watch if you want to watch something Indian. Of course, Money Heist. I finished Money
Right.
Heist in like one day. One
Okay.
day I finished season 4. I'm a huge fan of Money Heist and Professor.
Okay.
Uh, and there's so many shows. Yeah, I've seen, been binge watching shows like nobody's business because there's so much
Okay.
time also. Even after working out, cooking, cleaning, you still have so much time, to kill. So I'm watching a lot of things. I'm starting to, watch new things every time. I'm watching a lot of
All right.
horror, romantic,
Okay.
thriller, every genre. I'm exploring all my genres.
All right. Cool. So tell me, since you all are stuck at home, okay, what is your least favorite activity and favorite activity at home?
You have to like everything. You cannot hate anything because you'll have to. I honestly hate. I like cooking a lot, but I
Okay.
hate that the before cooking you have to chop the vegetables up and all of that and the
All
onions.
right.
That is my least favorite part. If
Okay.
that was done by somebody, I could have easily cooked. I love cooking, so that is I think my least favorite out of all of that. Everything, just preparing to cook.
Okay.
And other than that, everything is good. Yeah, like I'm enjoying the cleaning side also. I do like jhadu
You
pocha.
like doing jhadu pocha and all?
Everything. I let my house help go because, of course, they have
Yeah.
families and kids. I
Yeah.
couldn't just keep them here. That would be very mean. So I let them go, and now I'm doing everything. I'm cleaning. I'm doing the dishes. I'm doing jhadu pocha. Everything. It's like, and it's a good workout also, na.
Yeah. Yeah.
To
It's
stay
the best
fit that way.
workout actually. Yep. It's the best workout. Okay. Tell me, any hidden talent that you discovered while sitting at home? कि हाँ मैं acting के अलावा मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ. You know,
Actually,
when we sit, we tend to
कोई
get thoughts like that.
हिडन टैलेंट नहीं है सारे जो टैलेंट है वो मुझे पता था मुझ में है बट
Okay.
कभी मैंने I did never polished it. So now I think I'm like singing. I'm really good at it. So I'm trying to sing a little bit. Online also I've done a few jamming sessions, and even
Mm-hmm.
in my room at my home I'm trying to like kind of brush up my skills a little. Trying to learn the guitar a little bit,
All right.
which I suck at it still. Not very good, but I hopefully will get better.
Okay.
So yeah, that way no such hidden talents. Singing and all तो मुझे पहले से ही पता था मुझे आता है करना बस कभी करती नहीं थी. I was lazy, but now I have so much time to kill, so I'm doing all of that.
All right. Okay. Cool. So, tell me, uh, okay, they say you make a habit or break a habit in 21 days, right? Did you start making some habit or breaking some habit when it started?
Bad habits. I don't end up sleeping till 2 3 in the morning, and then I wake up so late in the noon.
Okay. All right.
So my habits are not good because you have even after doing so much cleaning and cooking and working out also कितना time बचा रहता है. By
Right.
8 9 my day is over, and then I start eating and watching stuff, and then I end up staying late, and then I realize कि it's just no point sleeping 10 बजे उठ के 6 बजे मैं क्या करूँगी.
Okay.
So there's no like deadline like that because usually I'm an early riser. Like
Okay.
in life, otherwise, by 9 9:30 max, I'm usually up in life on a regular when life is normal. But abhi to
Yeah.
I don't find that. I'm trying to motivate myself to go on time. But
Okay.
once you start watching a show or something, then you're like, chalo ek aur episode dekh lete hain, chalo ek aur episode dekh lete hain. And by the time it's like 3 o'clock, and you're like, oh my god, okay, now I'll go to sleep. But
Okay.
I guess that would have been good if I stayed with my parents. फिर वो मुझे जागने नहीं देते इतनी लेट तक. So
All right.
other than
Okay.
habit, I don't know, but I'm really trying to improve my cooking skills. So
What I didn't get you.
I said not. I'm trying to improve my cooking skills.
Okay, cooking skills. All right. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो इसके बाद
Cool.
शायद मैं अपना एक personal ढाबा खोल लूँ, a new business on the side.
Okay, I'm coming to eat for free. Okay, I'm not gonna pay you then. At least for
Done,
one.
done,
Okay.
done.
All right. Cool. Okay. So tell me, since you're talking about cooking, what new dishes have you learned?
I made Thai food. I made some
Okay.
pad Thai. I made some mushroom Thai curry. So there's a couple of things I did. Some Chinese fry because I love Indo-Chinese. I love Indo-Chinese. So
Okay.
and अभी तो खाने को नहीं मिल रहा है street side Indo-Chinese. So I'm trying to make Chinese fried rice घर पे ही and all of
Mm-hmm.
that. Chinese noodles and stuff
All
like
right.
that. So all of
Okay.
these different things that I really like eating, I'm trying to cook them also. So I don't miss बाहर का खाना so much.
All right. That's a good one. Okay. This is the most question that I get on my social media. It's like, how are the celebrities keeping themselves fit while at home? What exercises are they doing? Can you recommend some to your fans?
I've been working out quite a bit. In fact, अभी तो मुझे लग रहा है because घर बाहर का खाना, I mean set का खाना या बाहर इतना खाना नहीं हो रहा, so already the system is getting cleansed. Uh, and of course, I think people who like working out, for them, there's so many videos out there, especially abhi. I think everybody's posting workout videos and different ways of working out. I have a treadmill,
Okay.
so I try to get at least 8 to 9 kilometers ka run whenever possible, every day.
All right.
And then I do a little bit of freehand workout without weights, just like planks and burpees, all of these basic things. And I'm sure you also must have many tips. You're very fit, yeah. You should give me tips. Why are you asking me tips? I think you
All right.
should give me tips because you're so fit
Okay.
and I see your pictures. You're posting always on Instagram with your abs and everything. And I'm just like, shit, I should ask him for some tips.
Okay, I'll give you some tips. Okay, but after the call.
Please.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
All right. Cool. Okay, tell me something. What is the beauty regime that you're following to keep your skin normal and good?
Um, well, good thing right now, especially for actors, I feel कि बहुत ज़्यादा break मिल रहा है skin को, hair को, because we tend to style our hair every day, all the time, and it gets really bad, with the blow drying and all of that makeup. So my skin is automatically without. I'm not even doing much, to be very honest. The basic stuff that I do, and it's already looking very good because we're not wearing that much makeup throughout the day, and it's getting
Right.
that fresh air. I mean, it's breathing. So that way, I'm not taking much. Of course, salon वगैरह तो मैं कभी वैसे भी ज़्यादा जाती नहीं थी. I've never been a very facial kind of a girl. I usually believe in making my own face masks and face
Okay.
packs, hair packs,
Right.
oil at home only. So that I've been doing since I was a kid. So, oh,
Okay.
sorry, yeah, I think I froze. So yeah, so I've been making like yogurt, besan ka face pack. There's so many face packs you can make ghar pe hi. And not only
Okay.
for girls, for guys also.
Yeah.
So you can,
Okay.
yeah, and they're very good for your skin. Like, and this is not just now. I think I've been doing this for a very long time, and it's better for you. Like anything you eat is also very good for your skin.
Okay. That's a good advice.
Yeah,
That's a good
it's
advice.
always good for your skin because it's safe, it's homemade, and hair oil to coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil ये तो घर पे होता ही है हमेशा. So you do a little
Mm-hmm.
massage at night, sleep on it, and then wash it off. अभी तो बहुत टाइम है सबके पास ये सब करने के लिए.
है ना सेल्फ पैम्पर करो खुद को पैम्पर कर लो ये टाइम पर राइट
Absolutely.
okay so tell me what diet are you following any diet to keep yourself in shape
Not really. In fact, it's bad because इतनी देर तक जागे रहोगे shows देखोगे तो you'll feel like munching on junk food. And I've been eating. Usually, I don't eat so much junk food at night, but abhi because I'm constantly watching stuff, so I feel like munching. Abhi मेरा birthday था yesterday, so there's
okay
so much cake that my friends have baked and sent me and all of that. So I've been eating a lot of junk lately. But at least
all
this
right
week I have for sure. But throughout the day, I try to eat healthy in the sense कि वैसे भी घर का ही खाना बना रहे तो it's of course less oil. There's no
right
preservatives. So technically, you're not eating a lot of bad food because घर का खाना खा रहे हैं. And so you can afford to, work out and eat a little bit of junk at night. So it's fine.
all
अब
right
वैसे भी घर पे हैं. I don't think people should be too strict on themselves right now. Right now is the time to do what you like doing. Enjoy the
yeah
space. Eat a little bit of junk. It's okay. Keep your heart happy. As long as you're
all
still
right
happy, eating stuff and doing things you're doing, then it's all good.
all right it was your birthday on the 16th right my
Yesterday,
birthday was on the
yes.
14th
You're in
belated
Aries
happy birthday
too. Belated happy birthday. Oh my god, yay.
we both are Aries, huh? All right. So I want to ask you something else as well. Can you do a shout out for me? Right now, what the situation is out there. People are still not trying to get that it's not safe outside. You shouldn't go out. Stay home. Keep your family safe. When celebrities like you talk, people try to listen. They somewhat
Yes.
it goes in their head or ears. So can you do a shout out for me and request them to stay home and be safe?
Absolutely, Imran. I would love to do that. In fact, I have been doing that quite a bit. I've been trying to put it on my Instagram page and Twitter. And I've seen every single actor, every single person out there is really requesting everybody to stay at home. And a lot of people are not taking this seriously, and I don't know
Right.
why. I don't understand the reason why people think that ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं बोल रहे हैं. I think, of course, in Bombay there are a lot of people who are staying at home, but I've also recently come to find out that people like educated people, people who are aware of what's going on. Of course, we don't blame the people on the streets. They are dying to meet their family. They don't have a place to
Right.
stay. They don't have their per day income anymore. So I can understand the rage, and I see why people are going out to protest and all of that. But I also know of people who are well aware, well educated. They have the facilities at home, and they're still mingling, still stepping out, still going to parties, which I'm not able to understand why. It's a very simple thing. you need to stay at home. We need to maintain social distancing. We need to isolate ourselves. And if we don't do it now, this lockdown will be extended for another few months. Like it could be till the end of the year. And if we
Right.
don't take it seriously, this is not going to end. It's a pandemic at the end of the day, and it's the whole world is affected. So I think it's high time everybody should take this seriously. Please, guys, stay at home. The government is doing as much as they can. They're telling all of us to stay at home,
Right.
and it won't work out unless you each one of us take a step for this and take this seriously and really, really promote staying at home and self distancing completely.
All right. That's a very good message. Thank you so much for that. Priya,
Thank
tell me
you.
what's in pipeline for you next? What's going to happen next? Where are we seeing you next?
Well, actually, there was a lot in the pipeline, but unfortunately, now shooting is stopped. There was Twisted 3 that I was shooting for,
All right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and that didn't work out. I mean, we did 10 days of shoot, but of course, lockdown happened. And then there is Bekabu 2, there is Barish 2, that shooting is done, but a couple of days of shooting left, and that's why the release got delayed.
Okay.
Then there is Hello Mini 2. There's actually a lot of season 2s coming up this year.
All right.
If we shoot this year, it will
Okay.
hopefully release by the end of the year or next year now. But
All right.
there's a lot in the pipeline, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we can go back to work soon. And that's only if people stay at home now. That will only happen then.
All right. So we are going to see you next. Like we are going to see a lot of you in the coming time, right? You're saying. All right.
Absolutely.
So we're looking forward to see you on screen again. Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your time. It's amazing chatting with you.
Thank you,
Thank you so much
Imran.
for
It
giving your
was
time, guys.
lovely. Thank
I'll
you.
see you in person, but
Very
just
soon,
yeah,
and
I'll
give
see you
me
in person and do the interview again.
and please give me your workout tips soon. Like message me on WhatsApp, send me on Instagram, and then maybe I'll share it with people and be like, follow Imran's fitness tips.
Oh, thank you so much. You're so sweet, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.